Good evening. We're here on Matlacha right now, just one of the many areas still trying to clean up after Hurricane Ian. And you know, when you go out through these neighborhoods, you see all of this debris. I mean, you know, stacked up almost twice as high as me. And you also see these smells. There's also bugs throughout the area. There's, you know, people concerned about rodents. They're also nervous about their health. So I took those questions from viewers to Lee Health, asking them about these things. Lee Health says they are seeing an increase of patients coming in for skin infections, also people coming in with cuts and scrapes from cleaning up their homes and businesses. We've all seen it right here in Southwest Florida. Piles of debris, neighbors ripping out drywall and worrying about mold. There have been on and off boil water notices, and some of you are telling us you're experiencing rashes, all of which Lee Health is seeing.
We love our mango trees. A lot of people had mango trees that did not survive, or other fruit trees, and they cut them down. And just moving that debris and getting the sap from those trees and that vegetation can cause a poison ivy-like rash.
Lee Health System Medical Director of Epidemiology, Dr. Marybeth Saunders, says they're also seeing people with cuts or scrapes developing an infection afterwards.
When you may have a cut or a scrape and that you did not have a chance to get it cleaned appropriately quickly, and that wound becomes reddened around the edges of it, or there's increased drainage, or really a lot of pain.
Dr. Saunders says there have also been people developing a cough and congestion.
I'm trying to determine whether that's related to a virus, or is it environmental exposure, just home environments not being as healthy as they had been, with, you know, increased number of just allergens in their home environment. So certainly it's something that we're paying attention to.
Adding that when you continue to work in your homes with restoration, make sure that you're wearing an N95 mask to help protect your airways from the things that may have started to grow in your home from Hurricane Ian. And be aware of unusual bacteria that may be in the water.
We're not seeing the number of cases that we had seen initially from unusual bacteria such as Vibrio in the water. But, you know, now people are coming in with just wounds that they've had over a period of time, and they've progressively gotten worse. We're also seeing some diarrhea, not unexpected, though the boil water notices have lifted almost everywhere. Folks are still kind of, you know, testing the waters with food that may have been in their freezers or even in their refrigerators and kind of forgotten about it.
Lee Health says if you are concerned to go see your doctor to be treated, there are also over-the-counter steroid creams or anti-itch creams. But when it's severe enough, they say then you need to head to the emergency room so you can be treated professionally. Live here on Matlacha, Elise Chingari, Fox 4.